Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm just going to be talking about how to get your driver's license in California. This is going to be an easy video, so don't worry about it. So first of all, to get your driver's license, you have to go to dmv.ca.gov. I live in Texas. I don't know if you should like go without an appointment, but I would prefer everyone to have an appointment since all these things work online now. They gotta like check you in, they gotta like put your name in, and you gotta like wait in the line. And this is very important. Appointments are very important, so you should get your appointments before going to DMV. So to get your appointment, you go to this website and you choose your vehicle, automobile, and you put your driver's license or permit number. If you don't have it, leave it blank and you put your number and you put your date of birth and you press make an appointment. And after you make an appointment, you're gonna get an so let's try this 05. So this is gonna be my birthday, 2011. Did it work? Already have an appointment. So if you already have it, just go here. But let me just try to do it and see if it will work or not. So A, one, two. Okay. Let's press make an appointment. So it will show me the places that are available. So you guys should like choose the place that's closest. So I'm gonna choose Bakersfield, and there will be like open times, and you gotta click on it, and then you gotta press the time, and then confirm, and no matching driver's license. Like you gotta have a real driver's license record, and that's actually it. And after you get your appointment, you gotta like put the documents that work along with your service. So to do your service, so let's say you're gonna get your driver's license, you probably need a social security number. You have to provide a real ID like your employment authorization card. You also have to, if you don't have it, you can put your green card, your passport, and like that. And this is so easy. Just go there and show them that you have those. You just gotta like show them, but it has to be physical, so you can't show a copy. You can do renew, replace, or update your DLID card. Um, and actually, that's it. So it's really easy, guys, and you gotta finish that course online or in person. And after that, you're gonna take a driver's road test based on the license that you're getting. So make sure to do your research. If you have any questions, please comment below. It's gonna be like a Reddit post, so please comment for the problems that you're having, and I will be happy to help you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if I helped you.